This will be the second query. This is a bit more complex. So create a query to calculate and display for each district. We know that the table district is in play. The average weight of rubbish collection. That field, the average weight of rubbish collection, is in review, in the review table, if we look at it, if we remember. So we have to be familiar with our database, yeah? Best and worst cleanliness ratings, that's as well, it's in the review table, and the difference between the two ratings, that doesn't change anything. That will be the review table and the district table. As we said earlier, we go to create query design, double click on all of them. Let's untangle these, reveal everything, put them a bit lower so we know which tables we're going to use. That's a good method. Create a query to calculate display for each district. The district, yeah, and the average weight and the worst cleanliness rating. So basically, best and worst cleanliness rating. These tables don't serve anything now, so we can just delete them, pressing the delete button, and clicking on this one, pressing the delete button. It's showing for each district something, so it would be good if we do that. Add the district name. So for each district, so we have district name, and the average weight of rubbish collected. So let's double click on rubbish collected weight here, the kilograms, and we have to expand this to show the whole thing. So we want the best and the worst, so we want this twice, and then we want to calculate the difference between the two ratings. In a column here we will find a way to subtract the let's say the worst from the best, because in the scenario it says that, that's another thing, it says that 3 is the worst and 2 is the best. Let's see how that is done. We've got district name, there is nothing there, it doesn't say alphabetical order or anything, so that's fine. Rubbish collected kilograms, it says average, so let's get the totals here, and where it says group by, it says average somewhere, yeah? So it says the average weight, so we've done that, highlighted with green, we've done it. Best and worst cleanliness rating. Let's do the best one. That's gonna be the best and that's gonna be the worst, let's say, yeah? In order to do that, you click in the beginning of the header and you swap that header with a different one. So you say worst rating, colon, you put a colon. That is the shift plus the key that is on the right of L for lorry, and that will be colon. If we run this query, you will see here that it's worst rating. See, I replaced the heading with that one, so I started building the query as it is required. So we go to design view, I do the same thing with this one. This is going to be the best rating. Now if I run it, I see that I have got the worst rating and the best rating here so far. In order to get the worst rating, we want the highest number. There's 3 ratings, 1, 2 and 3. If you remember, look at the scenario of the beach database. So you have worst rating is 3 and the best rating is 1. So if we go back to the scenario, you can see down here a beach has a cleanliness rating of at least 1 and a maximum of 3. It says now here, which is a bit weird, but that's what it is, 1 is the best rating, so the minimum number is the best rating. So if we go to the database, the best rating is the minimum number, the worst rating is the maximum number. So we can type here where it says group by maximum to show the maximum, and here, which is the best rating, which is 1, let's say, it is the minimum. Now so far, if we run this, we show the average of rubbish collected in kilograms is 137 for Boroughside. The worst rating that it received was 2 and the best rating received was 1. Remember that the lowest is best. So far so good. So let's go back to design view. So far we have done the average weight collection of rubbish. We have columns as well for the best and worst cleanliness ratings. So we will end the video here, and in the second part we will do the difference between the two ratings.